Welcome to Rise and Restore. Today we tell the extraordinary journey of a man who turned his voice into power, his struggle into legacy. The life story of Mustafa Qureshi. He was born on May 11, 1938 in Hyderabad, Sindh, then part of British India, later Pakistan. His family was educated and rooted in strong cultural values. From the beginning, Mustafa was raised with lessons of discipline, honesty, and integrity. As a young man, Mustafa Qureshi never dreamed of fame. He never imagined stage lights or cameras. His first love was radio. He joined Radio Pakistan, Hyderabad, hosting children's programs, religious talks, and announcements. There, behind the microphone, he learned the magic of voice control, diction, and presence. Not as an actor, but as a communicator. One ordinary afternoon in the mid-1960s, destiny called. Mustafa went to watch a film shoot. Ag Kadaria, 1966. Just out of curiosity. Our cameraman turned director, Razamir, noticed his deep commanding voice and offered him a role, the villain in Lakan Main Ek, 1967. Mustafa refused at first. How can I play an evil man, he asked. That's not who I am. But then, a respected scholar, Imdad Ali Imam Ali Qazi advised him, every hero needs a strong villain. You can make the story shine. Mustafa accepted. That single decision changed his life forever. From that day, his journey began. A journey of struggle, learning, and purpose. In those early years, the film world was tough and uncertain. Qureshi was new, trained in radio, holding a master's degree in Islamic history from Sindh University. But cinema was a different world. He had to adapt, from voice acting to camera presence, from Urdu and Sindhi to Punjabi films. He faced the challenge. He was told, you don't belong in Punjabi cinema. You're not fluent enough. But he refused to give up. His secret weapon? His voice. While others shouted their dialogues, Qureshi spoke with calm fire. His slow, powerful tone made him unforgettable. Audiences didn't just hear him, they felt him. Then came the turning point, 1979, the release of Maulla Jat. In this film, Mustafa Qureshi became the legendary Noori Nat. It wasn't just acting, it was a storm of emotion and power. The dialogue, Nawaya, Hasonya, echoed through cinema's homes and hearts across Pakistan. Maulla Jat became a cultural phenomenon, and Mustafa Qureshi, a national legend. But he didn't stop there. He worked in over 600 films, in Urdu, Punjabi, and Sindhi, building a career few could match. Fame found him, but humility never left him. He received 3 Nagar Awards in 1979, 1981, and 1983. And in 1988, the Pride of Performance, Pakistan's highest honor for arts. Behind the success, however, was a simple man who never forgot his beginnings. He often said, the film industry must have purpose. Art should reflect life, not just entertain. At the height of his fame, he met Rubina Qureshi, a renowned singer he'd known from Radio Pakistan. She sang with soul, he acted with fire. Together, they built a home of love, music, and respect. Their son, Amir Qureshi, later followed his father's path into media, carrying forward the creative legacy. Yet even legends face trials. Mustafa Qureshi struggled with being typecast as a villain. He longed to show his full range, to play the poet, the father, the teacher. But he kept working, proving that success isn't about roles. It's about consistency, hard work, and belief in your craft. As the years went by, the film industry changed. Audiences shifted. Mustafa never complained. He adapted, giving interviews, mentoring young actors, and using his experience to rebuild what was lost. He often spoke about the importance of quality in art and the duty of society to support creativity. He reminded everyone that art without truth is hollow, and that culture without roots cannot survive. Even in his later years, he stood proud, a man of dignity, voice, and conviction. He remained loyal to his Sindhi roots, proud of his heritage, yet loved across Pakistan. From radio to cinema, from villain to legend, Mustafa Qureshi became a bridge between generations, languages, and hearts. From Mustafa Qureshi's life, we learn that greatness doesn't always start with a plan. Sometimes it begins with a moment of courage. He embraced unexpected opportunities, turned weaknesses into strengths, and stood out by being true to himself. So remember this, success isn't about fame or money, it's about legacy. It's about using your gifts with pool, adapting with grace, and serving something larger than yourself. One day the world will offer you a chance, When it does, take it with preparation, humility, and vision. Because the hardest roles you'll ever play aren't on screen. They're in life, as a mentor, a parent, and a human being. So to you, watching this, find your voice. Embrace your moment. Build your legacy, just like Mustafa Qureshi did. Thank you for watching Rise and Restore. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And remember, real legends never fade, they inspire.